Thank you so much, Javon. Well, today's election has been marred by at least one violent incident in Flanker, St. James. A man was fatally shot by members of the security forces. Herman Green has our story.
Irate residents of Flanker in St. James directing their anger to the security forces on election day. This as a resident was shot and killed by members of the security forces at a polling station sometime after 1 p.m. The cops say an illegal firearm was also recovered. However, residents are refuting the police report. A woman who says she accompanied the man to the polling station says it was the first time he was voting when the police accosted him.
They say, oi, oi, oi. The little boy stand up and hold up in two and them so. The police first shot him. And then the soldier them run come. Shoot him again. And then all when he drop a ground, they still put shot in him.
Up to a 2-month-old baby can know say, don't come outside with no gun today. To the election, police and soldiers are board. Who goes to brave to come with gun for them, brother?
However, head of the Area 1 Police, Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers, says the police responded to reports of intimidation in the area and went to investigate. The police say the deceased, identified as Peter Johnson, otherwise called Jolo, pulled a firearm.
Based on what the officers, what the joint teams were trained to do, they responded and the man was fatally shot and an illegal firearm recovered.
A police source later sent this photograph to our newsroom, identifying the deceased with a firearm. We were also directed to this video on social media and was told that he was among the gunmen seen here. ACP Chambers supported the suggestion.
The person who was shot, I've since learned, is a person of interest and has been the subject of several joint police military operations for a period of time. He has featured in several shootings and murders in the particular space here and the wider St. James division. So the team executed what they're trained to do.
JLP General Secretary and National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the shooting hampered voting for a few hours.
I take no conclusion from it. In the command, the investigating officers are here investigating the situation to determine how and what happened. Voting was delayed for about an hour, but the voters have been out here for some time. And under the law, once they're here and are in line to go in, they should be allowed to go inside.
Herman Green, TVJ News.